Alright guys, so today we got ourselves a dirty seat. I trying to get a good angle with my light here, but as you can see, we got some rings, some additional staining here. So we decided to try out a new to me product called Mother's Carpet and Upholstery Pro Strength Formula. So, and it's supposed to be good for all fabrics. So we're gonna give this a whirl. So I already vacuumed the seats. So use it sparingly. Use a soft brush. And then you vacuum it once more when you're done. So basically, yeah, it's standard carpet cleaning, but with upholstery. So we're gonna do a few light sprays. And we're gonna let this kind of sit here for a bit, and like a couple minutes, and let it kind of dwell in. And then we're gonna come back and scrub it. So we got a carpet cleaner sitting on there. Just gonna take our light duty brush from Chemical Guys and my Ryobi drill. Gonna scrub it out. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more. Let's see if I can get this going. Okay, so now that I got it scrubbed, I'm gonna add some distilled water instead of a spray bottle. And I forgot to turn that off to something that's not quite a jet, but oh well. Add this distilled water. I'm gonna go back one more time. So now we got that taken care of. Come back through. As you can see, spots are gone. These stains here I've tried before, and during other detail jobs for her to get that out, and I've had zero luck. So anyway, so here we are, got it all dried out, looking kind of fresh here. I'm gonna work on the bolsters of the seats here just to make sure that they're good, and then I'll work on this back part, and then we'll do a final after.